If you are hosting overnight guests and want to make them feel super comfortable, I think you're going to love today's video. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. After over 1 year of hosting at our vacation rental, the Little Lake House, and hosting almost 100 families, I have come to learn all of those little touches that make overnight guests feel special. So whether you're hosting overnight guests for the holidays coming up or really any time of year, I hope that these tips and tricks will help you as you prepare for your guests. I'm pretty sure your guest is just happy to be at your home, and you hosting an overnight guest is such a wonderful and warm way to show somebody you care. So don't feel pressured to do these things, but in my experience, these extra little touches that don't have to cost a lot of money are gonna help create an even more amazing experience for your overnight guest. Let's get started. The very first and most important thing that I found that people have commented on over and over and over again is the cleanliness of our home. Now, I'm not a naturally clean person, so this is definitely a challenge for me to clean our home for our own guests and also to make sure that our lake house rental is spotless. I do have a cleaner that goes over there and cleans. She is amazing, and I could not be hosting so many guests without her. So if you don't have time for anything else, just make sure that you go and give your home a nice, good clean. One of my favorite tips for making sure that sheets are nice and bright and white is I just use a little bit of white Revive OxiClean in my laundry, and that makes my sheets and my towels for guests nice and bright white, and they also smell great. The second thing that I find our overnight guests comment on is creating a little coffee station. So whether you do this in your guest bedroom or somewhere else in your house, creating a coffee station with whatever their favorite drink is, whether it's coffee, whether it's tea, having some coffee pods ready, an easy to use machine, that's something that guests seem to really enjoy. And it's just something small that you can do. You can add a Keurig machine, even a kettle with some water, your favorite coffee syrups, maybe even some to-go cups. And our guests seem to really enjoy that little touch. Another thing you can add to your guest bedroom for your guest is just a small little welcome gift basket. Now, this does not have to be anything expensive or over the top. You can get all of the items at the dollar store if you want. So things that I like to include in our guest gift basket are things like a few granola bars, some popcorn. I also like to put a drink in there. And I always try to make sure I know whether my guest likes to drink wine or maybe some craft beer, or whether they prefer sparkling water or sparkling juice, and put something like that in there just to show them that I want to give them something that they would actually enjoy. You can also even put some toiletries in that basket as well if you want, some little shampoos, soaps, etc. You can buy the basket and pretty much all the contents from the dollar store so that you don't have to spend a ton of cash. Another thing that our overnight guests comment on over and over again is comfortable bedding. Now, I am a huge stickler for using only natural bedding, so I tend to use a cotton, 100% cotton sheets, 100% cotton duvet cover, or a cotton linen blend. For our Little Lake House rental, we use a cotton duvet and sheet set from IKEA. So again, inexpensive, but it still feels really nice. And I find that the cotton is so breathable, so you don't get that, gross kind of sweaty, sleepy feeling. And that's something that you can ensure that you have ready to go and clean for your guest. I'll link some of my favorite sheet sets down in that description box below. A bonus hack for clean bedding: always go over all of your sheets, duvet covers, and pillow covers with a lint roller after you make your guest bed. You'll be surprised as to how much lint and hair you're going to pick up even after your sheets have been cleaned. I like to do this before we have guests, and it makes our sheets and bedding look so pristine. A comfortable mattress is also something that our guests love. You can find inexpensive mattresses at IKEA. I tend to like the foam and spring hybrid. I also found a really nice bed-in-a-box type mattress on Amazon. We put that in our tiny lake house rental, and that one's pretty comfy as well and relatively affordable. Of course, if you have a mattress that's a little bit older, maybe a little more uncomfortable, don't splurge on a whole new mattress. You can buy a nice fluffy mattress topper from Amazon, place it on top of your current mattress, and that's gonna make it feel a lot more comfortable for your guest. I have a favorite one. I will link that down below. Another thing that our guests seem to love is nice fluffy white towels. So you can place those on your guest bed, or just make sure that your bathroom is nice and stocked with towels. Fold them nicely. I like my little thirds method of folding towels that my mom taught me, that her mom taught her. If you want to keep your towels nice and white and fluffy, wash them again with that OxiClean every once in a while, makes them nice and white. And you can even put a little bit of vinegar in your clothes washer if you want to remove kind of old buildup and soaps in the towel. I wouldn't recommend doing this a lot because it can be a little hard on your washing machine, just every once in a while when you want to fluffen up those towels. I also like to shake my towels after I wash them before I put them in the dryer, and that seems to keep them nice and fluffy for our guests as well. Another thing that sometimes we forget, but is just one of those small, inexpensive touches that makes a difference for guests, that is Kleenex boxes. Make sure you have some Kleenex boxes by the bed in your guest bedroom for your guests. You can even buy pretty little Kleenex box covers at places like Simon's to make those boxes blend into your decor. Another thing that you could consider having on hand for your overnight guests is an air purifier. A lot of our guests seem to like having an air purifier in the bedroom and in the living room. I found this one at IKEA. It looks like a table, but it's actually an air purifier. So it helps clean the air between guests, and it kind of helps the guests feel more comfortable in the space. Speaking of electronics, another electronic device that people love in our little lake house, guest house, is a phone charger. And this one is a contactless phone charger. You can just grab them from Amazon, very inexpensive. And no matter what kind of phone our guest has, they can place it on top of this charger. It's just on the nightstand by the guest bed and charge their phone. I find that people tend to forget phone chargers, so having this in our guest bedroom is just kind of a nice little extra that can help our guests out. Also, another thing, don't forget to leave the Wi-Fi password for your guests so they don't feel like they have to ask. Sometimes that can be a little bit awkward. So even in that guest basket that you put together for your guest, just pop a little note in there welcoming your guest and leaving them the Wi-Fi password. Or you could even make some art for the wall that has the Wi-Fi password right on there for your guests to use and enjoy. Another thing that our guests love, and I think your guests will love this too, is putting some bathrobes in either the guest bath or the bedroom for your guests to use and enjoy. You can find inexpensive ones at IKEA, at Amazon. I'll link the ones that I have down in that description box below. Make sure they're clean and nice and fluffy and white, and guests seem to really love these. Same with slippers. You can also find inexpensive slippers, pop them in the pockets of the guest robes, and your guests can use those as well. I especially find those helpful in the winter time when maybe your floors are a little bit chilly and your guests can have cozier feet as they enjoy your home. So those were the top things that our guests comment on after they stay in our little lake house. I hope they helped you think of things that you could add to your home as you have overnight guests this season. If you have any other ideas on how to make your guests feel comfy, feel welcome, let us know down in those comments below. I could always use all of the tips and tricks that I can get on trying to be a better host. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want some more DIY and decor ideas on a budget, I'm gonna leave some more videos for you to watch next, right up here.